Welcome to Beautyistic, where we bring you honest, in-depth reviews of the beauty products you're curious about. Today, we're talking about a tool that's a game changer for at-home manicures, the Olive & June Manicure Cuticle Pusher. It promises to make cuticle care simple, safe, and professional level right from your home. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's find out. The Olive & June Manicure Cuticle Pusher is a dual-ended tool specifically designed to help you with cuticle care and nail prep. On one end, you have a rounded flat pusher for gently pushing back your cuticles, while the other end features a sharper edge for precise cleanup around the nail bed. The tool is designed with a rubberized grip, making it easier to hold and control during use, which can really make a difference when you're trying to achieve that flawless manicure. What stands out immediately is the thoughtful design of this tool. The dual ends give you versatility. The flat side is perfect for gently pushing back cuticles, while the sharper end helps with cleanup and detail work around your nails. The rubberized grip makes it super easy to handle, which is important when you're working so close to the delicate skin around your nails. That extra stability ensures you're never fumbling with your tool or worrying about losing control while working on your nails. In terms of real-world use, I have to say, this tool made my manicure prep a lot smoother. I've used it on both my natural nails and some press-ons, and it worked equally well on both. The rounded end glides gently across the cuticle area, and the precision end makes cleaning up any excess skin or debris a breeze. I found that the rubberized grip definitely improved my overall control. It felt comfortable to hold and didn't slip, even after extended use. But there are a few things to consider. The sharp edge, while useful for cleanup, could be a little intimidating for someone who's new to cuticle care. You want to be careful not to press too hard. It might take some time to get the hang of the sharper end, especially if you're used to just pushing back cuticles. That said, with a little practice, it becomes much easier to work with. Now, let's talk about the value. The Olive & June Cuticle Pusher isn't overly expensive, and considering its thoughtful design and functionality, it feels like a fair price. It's a tool that you're likely to use frequently, so having one that's well-made and easy to handle is definitely worth the investment. Plus, the fact that it's dual-ended adds a lot of value to the product because you get two tools in one. If you're in the market for something a little cheaper, there are alternatives available, but I haven't found one that quite matches the balance of quality and ease of use that this tool offers. Some other cuticle pushers feel flimsy or too harsh, but the design of this one stands out for its durability and thoughtful ergonomics. The build quality of the Olive & June Manicure Cuticle Pusher is solid. The rubberized grip adds an extra layer of comfort, and the durable plastic construction makes it a reliable tool for repeated use. I appreciate that it's easy to clean too, no complicated materials to worry about. As for longevity, I expect this tool to last for quite a while, as it doesn't feel cheap or fragile in any way. If you've ever had to deal with customer service, Olive & June is known for being responsive and helpful. While I haven't had any personal experience with their customer support, their positive reputation for customer service makes me confident that if anything were to go wrong, they'd have your back. Ultimately, the Olive & June Manicure Cuticle Pusher is a solid choice for anyone looking to step up their at-home manicure game. The combination of a sharp, precise cleanup end and a gentle pusher makes it a versatile tool. And the rubberized grip really does make a difference in terms of comfort and control. If you've used this product, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and share your experience with me. As always, if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future beauty reviews. Your support helps us keep creating honest content like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.